This is Mark Laughlin speaking for the Ambidextral Gunfighter. Been doing a lot of the Mantis X10 Elite stuff here. We've done it with our Mossberg MC2C and also with the Hellcat RDP. And we really wanted to also use our Mantis X10 with the SIG P365 XL. But SIG found it necessary to put a proprietary rail on there. So there's a solution, and it actually works pretty good. It's by a company called Recover Tactical. I have links down in the description. Basically, it's a clamshell Picatinny rail that it fits over the proprietary rail. Has a small hex nut that fits in on this side. Kind of wish it was captive. I mean, it's fine if putting this on permanently to run a light or something, but for me, where I want to take this on and off, for whenever I use the Mantis X10 Elite, it'd be nice if that little nut stayed captive in there. And now, with the Recover Tactical proprietary, fits on the SIG P365 XL proprietary rail and gives you a kind of a standard pick rail with which I can now use my Mantis X10 Elite. It has nice little landing points for your finger, and then also for a thumbs forward hold, which unfortunately, as you get used to it, when just practicing with the Mantis X10 Elite, now that when you take that off, it's kind of changing your hold a little bit. It's fine if you're just putting the Mantis X10 on and you take it off and you put your light or laser on here, then that's, these are nice little touches to have on there, the tactile landing points. Anyway, links are down in the description. It's Mark Laughlin speaking for the Ambidextral Gunfighter. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
$96. $87. $91. $99. $96. $91. $94. $93. $89.
I love how snug that SMSC fits right on the top of the slide. It's just like there's almost no difference between the width of the slide and the width of that SMSC. Very nice. And of course the Mantis X10 Elite. Excellent training tool. Coupled, of course, with a laser cartridge. Now this Recover Tactical adapter is just really nicely done. I mean, even around up here around the trigger guard It's just kind of rounded around to where it just kind of blends in with the trigger guard. It's really well done. Made in Israel. Got some little bit of tapering on the front to kind of match the way the muzzle of the slide is. And we've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3 notches on the pick rail, so it should fit a lot of things. And you can certainly run a small light or a little laser under there. Really well done. I mean, it's so slim. I thought that it almost would fit in my holster without modification, but while I probably won't keep this on except for when I'm running my Mantis X10, I bet if I wanted to, I could probably, loosen up my holster, put this inside my Kydex holster, throw a heat gun on a little bit, press that holster Kydex down into it, and I could probably pretty easily get this to fit in my holster.